Good morning students. Today we will discuss about Stone Age. We have already discussed about evolution. We have discussed that it took 2 million years to complete one evolution. That how man slowly developed. The slowly development is known as evolution. The process of development is known as evolution. Now during this process of development, there are few ages which we are going to talk about today. That is the Stone Age. What is Stone Age? We are going to start today. Stone Age refers to the period when stone was used for making tools and weapons. So the use of stone was more during this time. Means whatever the man used to prepare for, like tools, weapons, anything, they were made up of stone. So the stone was a very important thing of that time. They used to make tools, weapons, with everything they used to make, they used to use stone. That's why this period is known as Stone Age. Now this Stone Age is divided into three more ages. One is Paleolithic, Mesolithic, another is Neolithic. Another one is Neolithic. Paleolithic is the Old Stone Age, Mesolithic is the Middle Stone Age, and Neolithic is the New Stone Age. The word paleo means old, and the term meso means middle, and neo means new. And the word lithic the word lithic is coming from lithos, which means stone. As you can see in this picture, that a man sitting with the stone. So whatever they used to do, they used to do it with stone. They used to cut meat with stone, they used to hunt with stone, even they used to clear forests with stone. So everything they used to do with stone. Today we will be discussing about the Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period, it is an Old Stone Age. Now for the Paleolithic period, the people required three things: food, water, shelter, and they were hunter and gatherer. So they used to hunt or gather food so that they can eat. They used to stay in cave as their shelter, and they used to settle near the river or water for the water. So as you can see in the picture, that they are hunting the animal. So they were hunter and gatherer. The Paleolithic age, the people were hunter and gatherer. Another very important thing happened during this time is the invention of fire. The invention of fire was accidentally. It was not a planned manner, and there is no evidence also, but only ashes were found from that place. So how the fire was invented? They were rubbing this stone, and suddenly they saw the spark of fire, and this is how the fire was invented at that time. Now what was the use of the fire? As you can see in the picture, that some people are cooking the food. So fire was used as cooking meat, especially because raw meat is very hard to eat. So they used to cook the meat. Second, they used to fire used to provide light at night. And third, they used to scare animal with fire. So this is how fire became important to them, and this is how the fire was discovered.